Hello, we're going to go over question 18 that appeared in the Higher iGCSE paper 2HR in June 2018. I recommend pausing the video after the question is shown so you can try it yourself. Then play the video again to see the solution and where the marks are awarded. This is question 18. We're asked to solve the simultaneous equations that are given. Remember, you do have the formula sheet and this will be helpful in answering this question. Pause the video, attempt to answer the question, return to play the video to see the solution and where the marks are awarded. Welcome back. We are given the two equations, 2x squared plus 3y squared is equal to 14 and x is equal to 2y take away 3. I'm going to label these equation 1 and equation 2. With these types of simultaneous equations, the first thing that we want to do is create an equation with just one unknown. We're going to do that by substituting equation 2 into equation 1. This means where we see x in equation 1, we're going to replace it with 2y minus 3. So we get 2 brackets 2y minus 3 all squared plus 3y squared is equal to 14. We can then expand the square of this bracket. This will give us 4y squared, take away 12y, add 9. We can then expand the brackets. So we get 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times negative 12 will give us negative 24. And 2 times 9 will give us 18. We can then simplify the left-hand side by grouping together the y squared terms. So we have 8y squared, add 3y squared, so we've got 11y squared altogether. We want everything to be on the same side, so if we take away 14 off both sides, on the left-hand side, we will have the 11y squared, take away 24y, and then the 18 we need to reduce by 14. So we get plus 4. On the right-hand side, when we have 14 take away 14, we're left with nothing. This is where the formula sheet may be helpful. We want to solve this quadratic equation for y. We can use the quadratic equation given on the formula sheet. Our quadratic is in terms of y, so we have y is equal to negative b, where our b is negative 24, so negative b will be 24, plus or minus b squared, so that's negative 24 squared, minus 4 times a, which for us is 11, times c, which for us is 4. And this is all square root. All over 2 times a, which for us is 11. We can then find that that is equal to 24 plus or minus, and if we pop all of this into the calculator, we find that that is the square root of 400 over 22. This will give us 24 plus or minus 20 all over 22. And this tells us that y is equal to 2 or 2 over 11. To find our corresponding x values, we need to put these y values into equation 2. So first of all, if we look at y is equal to 2, we can see that x will be equal to 2 times y, so 2 times 2, take away 3, which will equal 4 take away 3, which is 1. We also have y could be equal to 2 elevenths. So if we substitute that into equation 2, we get 2 times y, which is 2 elevenths, take away 3. And this will be 4 elevenths, take away 3, which is equal to negative 29 over 11. This will give us a final answer of x is equal to 1 when y is equal to 2, or x is equal to negative 29 over 11 when y is equal to 2 over 11. This question does state they want to see clear algebraic working. The first mark is for showing a correct first step. So here we've substituted equation 2 into equation 1. Another mark is for a correct simplified quadratic. The third mark is the first step for solving the 3-term quadratic. And the fourth mark is for solving the quadratic. And the final mark is for the correct pairing of the results. I hope you found that helpful.